Join me as I take on the challenge of building wealth that lasts forever through property. Can I turn my investments into a lasting fortune? When it comes to building lasting wealth, there's one investment strategy that stands head and shoulders above the rest. It's property. Not only has it consistently outperformed the stock market over the long term, but it also provides a sense of security and stability that's hard to find elsewhere. Properties keep their value. Whether you're looking to retire early, travel the world, or simply live a life on your own terms, real estate property can help you to get there. One of the main reasons people shy away from property is the fear of high costs. They think you need a small fortune to get started, or that you'll be stuck with a money pit property that drains your bank account. But that's just not true if you choose the right property. With the right strategies and mindset, you can start building wealth through real estate with minimal upfront capital. Another common misconception is that property investing is only for the wealthy or those with a lot of experience. But the truth is, anyone can get started regardless of their financial situation or background. Many people also think that property is too illiquid, that it's hard to get your money out when you need to. And yes, it's true, you can't just sell a house overnight like you can with stocks or bonds, but that's also what makes property such a great long-term investment. It's a tangible asset that will always retain some level of value regardless of what the market is doing or, in fact, what happens to the house itself. It's the land usually that dictates the value. And with the right financing strategies, you can access the equity in your properties to fund your next investment or supplement your income. So as the value of your property goes up, you can refinance it to get money out to invest in other properties. Then there's the fear of market volatility. People worry that if the market crashes, they'll be left with a property that's worth less than they paid for it. But the truth is, property markets are local, not national. What happens in one area has little impact on another area. Even if the market does take a downturn, the beauty of property is that it's a tangible asset that will always retain some level of value. Plus, there are always opportunities to be found in a down market if you know where to look. So in a down market, there are some people who are keen to sell, motivated sellers. You can seek these out. So what are the effective strategies for building wealth through property? One of the most popular is buying rental properties. This provides a steady stream of income that can help offset the mortgage payments, even despite the tax changes where you can't actually deduct your mortgage expenses under UK law, tax law recently. Property taxes and other expenses. You can also explore house flipping, which involves buying a property, renovating it and selling it for a profit. And if you want to diversify your portfolio without directly managing properties, you can invest in property investment trusts or REITs, real estate investment trusts. These allow you to own a share of a property or a portfolio of properties, providing a steady stream of income without the hands-on work. Another strategy is to focus on multi-family properties, such as apartment buildings or condominiums, as it would be termed in the US. These provide a higher potential for cash flow and appreciation than single-family homes and can be a great way to scale your investments. You can also look into commercial properties such as office buildings or retail spaces, which can provide a higher return on investment than residential properties. And if you're just starting out, you might consider partnering with a more experienced investor or joining a property investing community to learn the ropes. One of the most powerful success stories I've ever come across is that of a woman who was able to turn a small investment in a rental property into a multi-million-pound portfolio. She started by buying a single-family home, renting it out and using the cash flow to pay off the mortgage. Then she took the equity from that property and used it to finance the next investment and so on. Over time, she was able to build a full portfolio of several properties, providing a six-figure income that allowed her to retire early and travel the world. The key to her success was her willingness to take action, to educate herself and to stay focused on her goals. She didn't let fear or doubt hold her back, and she was willing to take calculated risks to achieve her dreams. And that's what I want to encourage you to do as well. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back from building wealth through property. Take the first step, whether that's reading a book, attending a seminar, or joining a property investing community. So in conclusion, building wealth through property is a proven strategy that can provide financial security and growth over the long term. Generational wealth can be created, in fact. By ignoring the common misconceptions and fears and focusing on effective strategies, you can achieve your goals and live the life you've always dreamed of. Remember, property is a long-term game, and it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building a lasting fortune that will provide for you and your loved ones for generations to come. So what are your own thoughts on property investing? Have you had any experiences, good or bad, that you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more finance tips and strategies. If you want to talk to me about anything that I've discussed in this video, don't hesitate to reach out to me. That's Alan at Alpus Group on 07539 141257. From outside the UK, it's +44 7539 141257 or 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, it's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.